Engage with perspective. How point of view affects your readers. Hello, learners. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating element of creative writing: point of view. Specifically, we're going to explore how the point of view in a story can greatly impact audience engagement. Let's get started. At its core, the point of view, often abbreviated as POV, is the perspective from which a story is told. Think of it as a lens through which readers experience the narrative. The main types of POV are first person, using I or we. The story is told from the perspective of a character within the story. Second person, using you. This is rare in fiction, but it directly addresses the reader. Third person, using he, she, or they. This can be limited, where the narrative sticks closely to one character's perspective, or omniscient, where the narrator knows everything about all characters. 1. Empathy and connection. A first-person POV can create a strong bond between the reader and the main character. Readers might feel they are in the shoes of the character, experiencing events firsthand. 2. Mystery and curiosity. Third-person limited can make readers curious about what other characters are thinking or feeling, driving them to read more. 3. Guided experience. An omniscient POV provides a bird's-eye view, allowing readers to gain a comprehensive understanding of the story's world and characters. 4. Direct involvement. Second person can be jarring, but when done right, it involves the reader directly in the story, making them an active participant. When deciding on a POV, consider audience expectations. Different genres or age groups might have preferences. For instance, YA, young adult, novels often use first person for a closer emotional connection. Story needs. Some narratives might require the distance of third-person omniscient to cover broad events or multiple characters' thoughts. Your comfort. As a writer, choose the POV you're most comfortable with, especially if it fits the story you're trying to tell. While it's essential to understand the impact of POV on engagement, don't be afraid to experiment. Writing exercises can help you discover which POV resonates best with your voice and story. Here are a couple of ideas. Rewrite a scene. Take a scene you've written and try telling it from a different POV. Swap perspectives. If your story is primarily in third person, try a chapter in first person from a different character's view. Understanding the point of view and its influence on audience engagement is crucial for any budding writer. Remember that the right POV can draw readers into your world, making them laugh, cry, or eagerly turn the page. We hope this video has shed light on this exciting element of creative writing. Keep writing, and always remember to view your stories through the eyes of your audience. Happy writing!